Hey, good morning, guys. So, in Shedwars 22, John has put out the level 1 and level 2 challenges to grow onions and potatoes. And it got me to thinking, after watching the Cosmic Cultivators live last night, that there's a whole lot more. I follow Black's Tropical Homestead. They grow the most gorgeous bananas, and I have banana trees that about every 2 years will actually produce a bunch of bananas. However, the tree never makes it to the point where the bananas actually ripen or I can harvest. So I'm following every video that Black's Tropical puts out. I'm doing everything they're showing me to do, and I'm going to see the results of that in this season. So what I'm going to do is just document that I'm following what they're doing so they can see what my results are. So they're in Georgia, I'm in Texas. Let me turn this around and show you my old banana trees. Okay, so here are my banana trees, and there's a lot of them. Now, a couple weeks ago, Black's Tropical put out a video about trimming them. Well, I don't have a ladder, I couldn't get up there and take them limbs off. But the ones that I could get to and trim back and take off the leaves already have new growth. Now, we did have a freeze, so it's a little stunted. But today's video that I watched, they showed thinning out the mat and how to determine a mother plant. So I'm assuming, even though she didn't produce, this would have been my mother plant. This would be my daughter plant, and that would be a granddaughter, I'm guessing. And again, guessing. A lot of them, my dogs dig out here a lot. I'm not sure. Let's just leave it at that. I'm going to come out here and try to thin out the mat a bit, and see if I can figure out how to get up here and trim these off, and then replant, fertilize, and move out some of the smaller plants to a new area. All right. Hey, we're not recording you. So, I thinned them out, cleaned them up a bit. I put fertilizer in the hole, covered them up, and then I put my leaf mulch on top of them, and then I'm going to get some more black mulch to put on top just to make them look pretty. But anyway, here's what we look like now. They look kind of thin, but we have some green. So that's it for my banana tree update. Until Black's Tropical Homestead puts out the next video and I see what I can do. So anyway, I'm going to put a link down below to Black's Tropical Homestead. Go check them out. And if you're growing banana trees, they're the people you want to follow. Love you guys. Peace out.